Once in a quaint village, nestled between towering mountains and lush, green fields, there lived a curious little girl named Emma. Emma had the most vivid imagination in the whole village, and her adventurous spirit was known far and wide. From the moment she could walk, Emma was always exploring, looking for secrets the world around her could offer. One sunny afternoon, as Emma skipped along the pebble-strewn path that led to the bubbling brook nearby, she noticed something odd. The water wasn't as clear and sparkling as usual. Instead, it was murky and carried a strange smell. "That's odd," Emma thought, furrowing her little brow. Being the inquisitive girl she was, she decided to follow the stream uphill to find out what was causing this strange change. As Emma wound her way through the forest, she noticed fallen branches and upturned earth, signs of a recent storm that had lashed the village just days before. Then, at a bend in the brook, she discovered the cause of the murkiness. A large tree, uprooted by the storm, had toppled into the stream, blocking it completely. What if the water spreads over the banks and floods our fields? Emma pondered, realizing the impending danger. Thinking quickly, Emma knew she needed help, but feared there wasn't enough time to fetch the village adults and return before damage was done. Remembering a trick she learned from her Uncle Joe, a farmer, she spotted several long sticks and stones nearby. With determination in her eyes, Emma began to build a small channel, using the sticks to divert some of the water away from the tree and back to the stream's original path. After what felt like hours of tireless effort, Emma managed to form a makeshift dam. Slowly but surely, the water began to flow around the blockage, clear and free once more. Emma couldn't help but grin from ear to ear. Her heart swelled with pride as she watched her plan work, saving the village fields from flooding. When the villagers discovered what Emma had done, they were both amazed and grateful. From that day on, Emma was celebrated as the little heroine who saved their village. Her quick thinking and fearless actions taught everyone an important lesson, that even the smallest among us can make a big difference.